How to turn on or turn off dialing keypad sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, click on System Sound. After click on System Sound, so you will see dialing keypad is here. If you want to turn off dialing keypad, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see dialing keypad is turn off. If you want to turn on dialing keypad, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see dialing keypad is turn on. You will turn on or turn off dialing keypad from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off dialing keypad sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.